Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link eBay to Facebook. Want to boost your sales by reaching Facebook users? In this video tutorial, I'll give you some information, some instructions and tips, and I'll show you how to link your eBay store to Facebook, promote your listing, and reach more buyers fast. Now let's dive into these steps together. The first step is to copy your eBay store or product link. And to do that, just go to your eBay website. After you open the website, make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Once you log in, click on My eBay to go to your store. After that, select the URL and right click on it and click on copy. Now your store's URL is copied in the clipboard. The second step is to add the link to your Facebook page or shop. And to do that, just go to your Facebook. Make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Once you log in, open your Facebook business page and click on Edit Page Info and paste your eBay link in the website field. Now, the post listings on Facebook. Create a regular post by uploading a product photo, add title, price and eBay link, and use hashtag like for sale or eBay deals. And as for the fourth step, you can use Facebook Shop. If available in your region, set up a Facebook shop, add eBay products manually, or use apps like Zentay or Codisto for syncing. And for the fifth and final step, promote with Facebook ads. You can run targeted ads using your eBay product link, focus on engaged shoppers or to retarget past visitors, and your eBay is now connected to Facebook, giving your products more visibility. Use Facebook Marketplace or groups for extra exposure and include products, benefits, and free shipping offers, and also respond quickly to DMs for better engagement. And that's it for today's tutorial. These were some informations about how to link Facebook to your eBay account. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.